So you've been using your reusable lunchbox and your cup for a while now. You're happily running along on your green, sustainable lifestyle journey. And then what happens? Bam! The surfaces of these products get really sticky. You've been trying to wash them with dish soap, like rubbing them really hard, but nothing really happens. They still stay sticky. So really, you've been just leaving them on the side to gather dust. And you haven't really been telling anyone about this because you've been raving about these products before. Who's been there? So in this video, I want to talk about how to solve the problem of sticky silicone products. It happens to the best of us. And I also made another video about whether it is safe to use silicone products for food containing or cooking and how to choose these products. So I've linked it right here. Or was it here? Here. So check it out. So let's quickly touch on why silicone surfaces get sticky. So a film of grease could build up on its surface when it's not because you haven't washed it well, it's just because it likes to get clingy. That's completely normal. It's like how I get when my boyfriend doesn't answer my text messages. But we've got to get rid of this because number one is gross, and number two, bacteria start camping out on its surface, which you really don't want. Lucky for you, I've got the perfect solution and I've tested it out, so let's come along and get this solved. What you need is water and the magic ingredient, baking soda. You could find this in the supermarket in both the baking section and the cleaning section. I find in my supermarket that the baking soda in the cleaning section is actually a lot more expensive if you calculate it by weight. Pretty strange, as they have the same ingredients according to the back, and I would expect the cooking section one to be more expensive. So anyway, I got the one from the cooking section. This will work just as fine. The only difference might be that the soda from the food section is food grade. So back to the process. Put a lot of baking soda in a dish and just a splash of water in it. Mix it up. Make sure it's the consistency of toothpaste or really thick frosting. Pick up your sticky silicone item, in this case it's my stasher bag, and then spread on the baking soda mix like peanut butter on toast or frosting on cake, whatever you like. Be generous. I am using the arm of a spoon because that's the closest thing I could grab, but I think you could use the spoon and the back of a spoon or a knife or really whatever you can find in the kitchen that could spread peanut butter. You could also do it for items with multiple facing surfaces, such as this lunchbox here. You just have to make sure that the baking soda mixture is thick enough and that you could spread on the surfaces like wet cement on a wall, and gravity won't pull it down. Next, you wait. You put the baking soda clad items on a rack and you wait till they dry. It could be an hour, but because of filming reasons, I left it on for a day until there's daylight again. And then you just wash it off with some warm water, and then voila! Beautiful, non-sticky silicone surfaces. So how does baking soda really work? Aside from being used for baking cakes, it has also been used as a cleaning agent for centuries. Back in the good old days, in 3500 BC, when the ancient Egyptians are running around, they used baking soda as a cleaning agent, but also to dry out dead people for mummification. You could say baking soda is pretty multi-purpose. Baking soda is basically sodium hydrogen carbonate, a type of alkali salt that does a really good job at destroying grease. The best thing is it's also mild, so it doesn't destroy your precious hands nor the surface you're cleaning, and it's all natural. Love it! A big part of choosing what sustainable and eco products to use for my everyday life is not just seeing how sustainable and eco-friendly they are, but also how easy to use and how easy to clean they are. So now that you've learned this little trick on how to clean your silicone products, I hope you'll keep using them for a long, long time. If you want to learn about whether it is safe to use these silicone products for food or drinks, please check out my other video where I also talk about how to choose these products as well. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to hear more from me, hit subscribe. I want to start doing more product reviews and advice on what kind of products are safe or eco-friendly to use. So if you want me to look into anything, leave me a comment below. Until next time.